First of all, a moment of silence for the people in the Ukraine. I know, there are videos all over the internet. Africans are getting left behind and stuff. But let's face it, guys, it's a war. It's a war, and people are suffering. Very many people. So, I'm done with that. So, what's up, you guys? As you always know, this is Lucy. I'm your girl. I'm going to share with you opportunities. And in today's video, I'm just gonna tell you like why am I sharing this information about nursing, about scholarships, about investing, about changing your life. Why? Ask yourself. This is just like information that people don't have. And the reason as to why I'm sharing is because I also want you to win, okay? I don't want to win alone, by the way. I want you to win so that we can move like together, like we can grow together. If you're watching this video, please give it a like, or if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe. Just know that I'm here to share this journey with you guys and let you know that it's possible. I didn't come all the way from a different country just to come and just have the information and not share it with you. That's not how I roll, okay? Everyone in my circle, I give information to people. Whatever you do with this kind of information, that's up to you. But I encourage you, if you look at yourself, if you look like from like 1 year ago, 5 years ago, where were you? Are you in the same position you were? If not, good for you. If you're in the same position, this video is for you. I am sharing information that's going to help you achieve or propel yourself to the next level. For example, I want to share my nursing journey. I mean, almost finishing my prerequisites, and it's not been easy. So I'll let you know that it's not easy actually to go through the classes. The biology is kind of hard, and the chemistry and the math, but it's something doable. I haven't come all the way just to give up. And this is a video to tell you that it's possible, it's doable. Whether you're 50 years old, whether you're 30 years old, whether you're 20 years old, you can actually go to nursing school. Nursing school is one of the hardest, but it's not the easiest. Okay, it's not the easiest and it's not the hardest. But if you put your mind to it, you will achieve anything that you want, okay? So, for example, I'll encourage you, if you're starting off your nursing journey, you can actually do, you don't have to actually do nursing, but because I know the opportunity that it opens up opportunities for people to get their green card, whether you have whatever kind of degree, or if you don't have your green card, nursing is one of the best ways, like I keep saying in my videos. And that video, many people are watching it because I'm sharing this knowledge that people don't know. Why would I have this knowledge and not share with you, okay? Other courses that you can do in the medical field here in the US, or whatever you are, it's a medical assistant, a physician assistant, nursing informatics, or a medical technician, laboratory technician, a radiologist, somebody who goes, I mean, when you go for like an ultrasound for either pregnancy, who are the people who are doing the ultrasound? They're called radiologists. There's also a respiratory therapist. Oh my gosh, that is one of the best ones that you can do. You don't have to be a nurse, but respiratory therapist is, especially during the COVID, it's the people who suck out the mucus in your chest. If you're comfortable with that kind of stuff, do it. It's the same time frame, of course, and the prerequisites are pretty much the same thing. The core program is different because now you're specializing into either nursing or respiratory, but all these courses I'm talking about, it's pretty much the same course, the same prerequisites. And prerequisites, they're like 60 credits. You can choose to break down these credits into like 15 credits per semester. That's like 3 units. Let's say, for example, English, math, and chemistry, okay? You can do it. By the way, you can do it. Don't even doubt it. If you're busy, you want to stay home, maybe you have a family, or you want to work more, you can actually do 1 unit. But of course, if you do 1 unit, of course you pay less, but you don't qualify for any financial aid or any scholarship. Most schools, they require you to at least have like 10 to 12 credits. That's credit hours. That's like 2 subjects, or 2 and like a small subject like of 2 credits, like PE. I understand international students do something like called PE. I'm not sure what that is, but it's part of like something that you can add to your schooling, so that you have at least 12 units in order to qualify for most scholarships, because they want to see that you're working full-time. Why you're applying for scholarship? You're applying for scholarships so that you can earn enough money to pull you through a whole semester, plus your expenses and anything that you'll require during your tuition period. Okay, so for example, you can start with for example, in my school, the process of starting this the nursing program is you have to do like a basic test that will analyze your skills and place you at different levels. Let's say, for example, if your English is not native, they will request you to do an English test. It's not a fail or pass test. It's a test to put you at a specific level. For example, there are three English, like the ones that I know. There's English 096, and then English 098, and then English 101. English 101 is the English that you have to do when you go to college. Like, it's the first English for everyone who goes to college. Okay, that's college English. Like, they expect you to write a paper out of it, an academic research paper out of it. So if your level of the test that you've done, it's not at the same level with the English 101 from the test results, they will give you English 098. If your English is still lower, like high school level or primary level, they'll give you 096. But when you do 096, then you have to go to English 101 as you continue with your college credits. That's it. Those are some of the subjects that you do. You do math 146, which is statistics. Same case to math. They give you the test, the math test, to analyze your algebra, your fractions, anything like basic stuff in mathematics. And then you get to do, for example, for nursing, it's math 146, it's statistics, and it's not basic statistics. It's a bit higher, just a little bit higher. There's English 101, there's math 146, there's chemistry. Also, same case with chemistry. They can either give you chemistry 100 or chemistry 121, but there's no test that you're required to do. There's also biology, like 231, 232, biology, I think 200, and biology 260. There's also anthropology. Anthropology is basically learning about history. It's not the American history, but history in terms of the world development and how people think, and also like a course that you're going to do a full research paper. I did that, a full research paper. The teachers will take you through everything. So anthropology, for our school, they want you to do the anthropology in their school, but for other schools, anthropology, they might call it a different subject. Okay, there's also there's what psychology. You're required to do psychology 100 and 200. This is psychology, like basic stuff that you think you know, but you really don't know until you go to class. Okay, there's also another one. From psychology, we have the critical thinking or philosophy or ethics. You get to choose from a pool of like 10 humanities. You get to choose one that you're interested in. I chose critical thinking, and I love it. Like, I love its philosophy, but it has an element of critical thinking. It helps you think through whatever you think critical thinking is, like the basic layman stuff. Imagine it's not. It's something totally different. I know, right? Totally different. So that's it. Those are the units that you're supposed to do before now you apply for nursing school. The major thing to know is that all these units, you're supposed to have at least 2.5, 2.0 GPA. That's like a 76% for these units in order for you to do the next unit or even go to nursing school. But the catch is, for nursing school, they'll still require you to have at least a GPA of 3.0 for the 4 sciences, in a nursing school. And the 4 sciences are chemistry and the 3 biologies. This is like biology, like anatomy, physiology, like everything, every single part of the body you study. Well, at this stage, you're not studying like concrete or in depth, you're just studying overall. How many bones does a human being have? Where is the part of the brain that thinks or stores memory? Which lung does what in a human body? Some of those things. It's not as deep. For people who are going to medical school, that's what they learn in depth. Everything that you're doing right now in the prerequisite stage is just basic stuff. But if you're studying for medicine, they will make you, like, you are going to learn everything in depth. Okay, so you get your GPA 3.0. GPA 3.0 is around a 82% average for the 4 sciences. At least you should get at least 82% average. That's what they tell you. Once you finish the prerequisites, you have a whole semester to apply for nursing school. Remember, you must have very good grades, like, because nursing school is competitive. As much as they don't have enough nurses, they still make it so hard for people to get inside nursing school, because some people just go to nursing school and then they drop out and then they wish they would have given it to another person. But since it's so competitive, you're supposed to have higher points. If you're a CNA, if you're a med tech, if you're a phlebotomist is someone who like draws blood from this point. If you have all those experiences, you add points to your nursing school application. Once the nursing school application has been graded, that's when now they announce whether you're going to go through the nursing school this at that time or not. If not, you're supposed to at least do another subject that's going to boost you. Let's say if you got 72% in math or biology, do it so that it can boost your points. Like, you can concentrate on one subject for that whole semester in order for you to increase those points, because it's a point system. Then when you're applying for nursing school, you're applying for nursing school like different nursing schools, not only your school, so that you increase the chances of getting to any of the programs of nursing school. Okay, so I'll share the process of the nursing school in the next video. Like I always say, whatever you perceive in your mind, you can achieve it. Keep chasing your dreams, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.